Okay, let me show you an example on how to clean up a photo image. Here's an example. Suppose that you have this image here, which is actually coming from my son's homework, and you want to remove the entire background and keep only the handwritten part and the printed part. Okay, how do we do it? So let me start by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy the image. Then I open the GIMP application and do a Ctrl V as in Victor to paste the image, and then I do a minus sign to shrink the image. And now let me duplicate the layer. So now I have two layers. On the top layer, I'm going to apply a blur filter, Gaussian blur filter, with a radius of 30 pixels horizontally and vertically. Okay, so I apply the filter, and then we see, boom, the image now is blurred. And then we apply a blending mode called the divide blending mode. And then you can see the image is turning to be pretty close to the final result. So we apply merge down to consolidate the two layers into one single layer. And then a little bit of color enhancement with the curves functionality. Make it just a tiny bit darker, somewhere around here. And then we apply the threshold filter to convert the color image into black and white. You don't want to crank up the knob too much because then you don't get dirty. Okay, you want to control the knob in such a way that there remain only a small number of dirty pixels on the picture which you can clean manually. Okay, something like this. And then make sure that you remove the transparent layer, and then select the regions that you want to remove. You select them and press the delete key. And sorry, I need to flip the order. I need to set the background to white and then delete. And then I'm not going to show the entire process of cleaning up, which is trivial, but takes a few more seconds. Okay, so I'm going to skip that part. Alright, after everything is cleaned up, you can probably apply a final filter of Gaussian blur, but this time with a radius of probably 0.5 or so. Okay, just make things look a little bit more smooth. And that's the end result. Now let me paste in the original image so we can make a comparison. Okay, this is how it looks like in the original image, and this is how it looked like in the final result. So original, all cleaned up. Original, all cleaned up. So it works like magic. Okay, that's it.